What's a crack-a-lackin', everybody? Caleb here back with another video. Today, we're learning how to smoke spoons. You don't know what smoking spoons is? Well, it's a spoon, and you smoke it. Smoking spoons is a new drug that's on the rise in the drug community for people who do drugs. I thought that I'd capitalize on this opportunity here with this new drug that's on the rise and show y'all how to use it, how to enjoy it, and how to get high. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. So if you're watching this, I'm assuming that your mom or your dad or your grandparents or your guardians, they found your weed, or they figured out where you were going and what you were doing every Friday night. So sorry about that, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Or maybe you're a druggie, you're an addict, you're off the Xannies, you're off the lean, and you're ready to kick it up a notch. You're ready to die. Alright, so I've got you covered there as well. Alright, you may be wondering, Caleb, can I really get high off of this? And the answer is, I don't know, because I've never tried it before. I guess we're gonna find out together. So let's try, let's get high, and hopefully we die. So we got our spoon, right? Step one, take it out the package here. There we go. Pretty normal plastic spoon. It's black. I don't know if the color makes a difference. I'm not racist. So we've got our generic plastic spoon here, and you may be wondering, do I need a lighter or some kind of needle or other way to get this drug in my body? And the answer is not exactly. You're going to need a flashlight. Alright, so obviously you're going to put this in your mouth. Alright, so the spoon's out here. Take our flashlight, turn it on. You want to be very careful. Put it about 12 inches, no less than 10, or you'll probably die instantly and you won't even get to enjoy the high. But between 10 and 12 inches, if you want to go above 12, you're playing it safe. I don't know what that's going to be like. That'll be like enjoying some crackers. But if you put it more closer to 11 or 10 and a half, then it might feel more like, you know, riding a roller coaster, you know, something else that is a lot more thrilling, more adrenaline. Again, we want to try this about right here, 10 to 12 inches, and we're just going to fire it on. Do it with me. 3, 2, 1. Alright, as you can see, the light is hitting the spoon, the spoon of the spoon, and I'm inhaling through the handle. I don't know how long the high lasts. I guess we'll see. We'll do a little update at the end, and I'll put it after the outro of this video, so stay tuned. Feel great, other than the minor explosion that occurred a minute ago, and the increasing rate of my heart. I think I'm gonna be okay. Now that the side effects include death, loss of life, ligma, your gender reversal, and reversal of birth, loss of soul. I'm also seeing shadows. I still see shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. Alright, well, I'm gonna shut the camera off and do nothing and be a completely unproductive citizen and waste of life, waste of space, waste of cells for the rest of the day. Again, tune in for after the outro for my update video.
I'm so sorry I killed your brain cells. Oh, killed your brain cells.
Hey, Bug.
Alright guys, it's me. Obviously, it's about 4 hours later from when it all started. It's an enjoyable high. I'm on the way down now, obviously. I'm about to crash, just sleep for 3 days straight. Yeah, it was a good time. I went out, started destroying a grocery store. I kicked a few puppies. I tried to auction off an old lady. Got arrested. My mom just thought that I fell on my head again. The cops believed her since I couldn't find anything else, and I went home and she put me to bed. So I'm just chilling down here, enjoying life.
yeah, see you guys next week. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and all that stuff. And go ahead and get in the comments and tell me, after you try it, go ahead and tell me, what your experience with smoking spoons was like. So, yeah, just Piachi. See you guys later.